Hi guys, in this video I'm going to go through how to identify and plot quadratic graphs. So the way to identify them, if you see a curve shape, that is the shape of a quadratic graph. It also could be an upside down curve shape. Okay, the reason for that is the smiley face one is positive and the one in the other direction is negative. I'll explain that later on. From the equation, they normally have an x squared in the equation. So if you see something like y equals x squared plus 4x, you know that is a quadratic. Okay, so that's how you identify them. In real life, these are used everywhere. So if you throw a ball, you'll notice that it goes up and up and up, then it slows down, and then it comes back down faster and faster and faster until it reaches the ground. Now, as you can see, the trajectory the ball follows makes a quadratic curve. Now, if you can work out the equation of those curves, you can work out where that ball will land all the time. Okay, so it's used in real life normally with missiles. So armies, they can predict where the missile is going to land before they shoot it. Okay, so let's go through some examples. We have the most common quadratic graph, y equals x squared. Now, let's plot this from a table of values. So, as you can see, I have the values of x, which are minus 3 to 3. So, let me just put these on the graph. Minus 3 would be there, and x, minus 2, minus 1, 0 in the middle, 1, 2, and 3. And the y values I have to work out because y equals x squared. What I will do is substitute each of these values for x into this equation. So the first one, I'm going to substitute minus 3. So y equals minus 3 squared, which is 9. So the first one is 9. Next one, y equals minus 2 squared, which is 4, positive 4. Because a negative times a negative gives you a positive. 1 squared is 1, 0 squared 0, 1 squared 1, 2 squared 4, 3 squared is 9. Okay. So I look at my y values. My smallest one is 0. My largest one is 9. So I have to go from 0 to 9 on my y-axis. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have enough boxes. So put my numbers in. Okay, make sure the values are evenly spaced out. Then you just plot the values. So my first coordinate is minus 3, 9. So minus 3, 9. That's over here. Then my next one is negative 2, 4. So that's over there. Next one, minus 1, 1. So there. Next one, 0, 0 on the origin. Next one, 1, 1 over there. Next one, 2, 4. And the last one, 3, 9. Okay. So the way you join these points up is not with a straight line. Do not do a straight line. You have to join these points up with a smooth curve. Okay, so start from the top, join it up. Make sure you don't go past this bottom point at 0, 0. And there you go. Okay, so you can't go past this bottom point over here. Okay, you can't do that. That's incorrect. Okay, so make sure this is the lowest point of your graph, 0, 0. Okay, so let's try another example. So we've got y equals x squared plus 3. Okay, so all I do for the first one, substitute minus 3 into there. So minus 3 squared and then add 3. So minus 3 squared is 9 plus 3 gives me 10, 11, 12. Okay, so the first one is 12. Now I've already got the values for x squared in this table. So I'm just going to add 3 to all of these values. So minus 2 squared is 4 plus 3 is 7. Minus 1 squared is 1 plus 3 is 4. 0 plus 3, 3. 1 squared plus 3 is 4. 2 squared plus 3, 7. 3 squared plus 3, 12. Okay. So again, put my x values in. Minus 3 minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. They're all from the table. Yeah. Now I'm going to look at my y values. So my lowest one is 3. My largest one is 12. So I need to go up to 12. So I'm going to go up in twos. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. So my first one, negative 3, 12. Put that point in. Here we are. Next one, minus 2, 7. Minus 2, 7. Put that point in. Here we are. Next one, minus 1, 4. Minus 1, 4. Put that point in. 0, 3. For the next one, that's going to be between 2 and 4. 1, 4. Put that point in. 2, 7. Between 6 and 8. 3, 12. Okay, again, you can see it's got kind of a bell shape. Let me just change the color so you can see it. Then join these points up with a smooth curve. Make sure this is the minimum point, so I can't go past that. So here we are. There you go. So that is the curve for y equals x squared plus 3. Okay. Now let's go to another example. So we have y equals 2x squared. Now for this one, you do x squared first, BIDMAS, and then multiply by 2, because indices or powers or order comes before multiplication. Okay, so minus 3 squared is 9. 9 times 2, 18. Okay, minus 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2, 8. Next one's going to be 2. 0. 1 squared is 1 times 2 is 2. 8, 18. Okay, so some of you might have noticed these numbers are the same as these numbers. Here, look, these numbers are the same as these. And then here, we've got the same ones as these. This is because, as you can see from the shape of the graph, it is symmetrical. Okay, so let's plot this one. Same x values. I have negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now my y values, my lowest one is 0, my highest one is 18. Okay, so again, I'm gonna let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got enough, so I'm gonna go up in ones. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, now plot the points. So minus 3, 18, minus 2, 8, minus 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 8, and then 3, 18. Join the points up with a smooth curve. Okay, and there is your answer. Okay, now you might have some more difficult ones to do, such as these. But guys, you just do the exact same thing. Substitute your value for x into these equations. So for the first one, I'm going to substitute minus 4 into this. Okay, so I get minus 4 squared, and I substitute it here. Take away 2 multiplied by minus 4. Take away 4. Okay, so minus 4 squared, 16. Take away minus 8 minus 4. Minus and a minus make a plus. 16 plus 8 is 24. Take away 4 gives me 20. Okay, so my first point is 20. Okay, next one. I'm going to substitute 3 into this. Now, guys, if you've got a calculator, if you write it like this with the value of x in brackets, all you need to do is go back, delete the value of x, and put in the new value of x, so which is minus 3, and then press equals on your calculator. You should get the answer straight away. So minus 3 squared is 9. 9 plus 6, 15. Take away 4, 11. So the next one is 11. Next one, substitute minus 2 into there. So I get minus 2 squared is 4 plus 4, 8. So I'll get 4 for the next one. Substitute minus 1. I get minus 1 squared is 1. Minus 2. Take away 4. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Take away 4, negative 1. Sorry about that. So negative 1 over here. Substitute 0 in. I get negative 4. Substitute 1 in. I get 1 minus 5. Substitute 2 in. I get 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 2 times 2 is 4 minus 4. I get negative 4. And then when I substitute 4 in, I get 16. Take away 8. Take away 4. Which gives me 4. So plotting this, guys, put in the x values first. So I'm not going to write them in. Then I'm going to put in my y values. So my lowest one is negative 4. And my negative 5, and my highest one is 20. So that's going to be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. And then I'm going to go up to 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, plot the values. So minus 4, 20. That's going to be there. Minus 3, 11. It's going to be there. Minus 2, 4. Minus 2, 4 is going to be there. Minus 1, 1 to be there. 0, negative 4. 1 minus 5. 2. Oh, I missed 2 out. So 2 squared is 4. 4. Take away 4. 0. That should be negative 4. Yep. Negative 4 for this one. That means that was incorrect. So 2, negative 4. And then the next one, 3. So if I substitute 3 and I get 3 squared is 9. Take away 6 is 3. Take away negative 1. So that goes 3, negative 1. And then 4 was 4, 4. Okay. So I get something like that. Now my minimum point is here. So make sure you don't go past that point. Okay. And there we are. Okay. So that is the quadratic curve for that equation. Now it's easier if you do these on a calculator, putting your x value in brackets and then changing it for each value of x. Okay, so guys, try these questions for practice, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, comment below. Thank you very much.